Good morning, welcome to the Corner Kitchen. Alright, so today what we're going to do really quick is make something called coconut eggs. So first off we start with our fire. Nice low heat. You can see I have my pan raised up, that way I can kind of control the heat, otherwise the pan gets just too hot. I like onions, so I'm going to be adding onions to mine. So we'll start here with a little bit of butter. Not too much, but just enough to get the pan covered. I'm going to rinse off my fingers so I don't get really grossed out here. So here's my 3 eggs. I have about a half cup of fine ground coconut. So I'm going to add that into this. Alright. And then we're going to add not all the onion, but most of it. Pretty much make it to preference. You can also add some salt to this if you want, or some pepper. I'm just going to keep this one simple. I'm going to salt after cooking. So there we go. Just mix it in. Now pretty much, now the pan's up to heat. It might be a little bit too warm, so okay. So what I've noticed happens when I do this is it almost turns into a pancake. The coconut adds a fiber to it, so it'll start to, like I said, be a lot like a pancake. Got to really watch the temperature. That's why I mentioned in the beginning I try to keep it so it doesn't get too hot. And because it's thicker, this is a 3 egg, you have to make sure to let it cook long enough so you get down to the middle. You can flip it a couple times. So let's come back to this in just a moment, and you can see the finished result. Alright, so here you go. I was able to flip it over. I'd probably recommend, if you do this yourself, just do a version with 2 eggs or 1 egg to start with, so you get a feel for it. Like I said, the more eggs you add, then it just gets thicker, and so you gotta be a lot more careful about the heat. I personally do not like the flavor of burnt eggs, so this got just a little bit brown. I don't think it'll affect the flavor, but so now what I'll do, now it's in the pan, just kind of keep it moving a little bit. I found this kind of reduces any like sticking or burning, because you can see now it's floating free in the pan, and should turn out good. What's nice about adding the coconut, it kind of adds its own oil, so that way you don't need to add as much butter, and it keeps it from sticking. The other main reason why I started making these is just to get more calories, and coconut calories are good calories for me anyways, so I'll mix this in with the eggs so it gives you a nice hearty part of your morning breakfast. So anyways, that's pretty much it, and maybe you can try it for yourself and comment below about your experience. Okay, have a great morning and a great day.